Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but now let's talk about Cardano ADA. If we're looking at the price of Cardano on the daily time frame, it's up about 1.8%, but let's take a closer look as to what is going on today and of course what is yet to come in the next few hours ahead of us. As always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So first, what I want you guys to be focusing on is this. If we're looking at the coins in the top 10, of course, Cardano is ranked at the top 9 spot. But one thing I want you guys to be taking a close look at is the weekly time frame. So Cardano is starting to hold quite well compared to some other altcoins, and this speaks for itself, as I've mentioned to you guys in my previous update, which was just last night. You can see we're up about 4.3% on the weekly time frame, and we're also up about 0.9% on the hourly time frame. But that's not the most important thing. I will get into more detail as to what really is important. You guys are looking at the price of Cardano right now, currently sitting at 39 cents. Like I've mentioned, up 1.9% in USD comparative, also up 2% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap approaching the $13.7 billion mark, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 250 million. So not bad at all as far as the overall price goes. Before we get into the charts, I wanted to share this with you guys so you guys can see this. The total value locked on ADA is $852.8 million. We're about to approach the $1 billion ADA before we potentially could be, like this guy is saying. He says, I think Cardano TVL is getting ready for another leg up. We could see it surpass 1 billion ADA before the end of the year, and I would not be surprised at that as well. So this is really good to note, and really shows where the ecosystem and of course the DeFi really stands for ADA. But that's not what we're here for. We're here for the price, and this is where the excitement comes into play. So if you're looking at the price right now, guys, we could be seeing in the next few hours, or possibly maybe tomorrow, we might be about to finally see a huge breakout coming in. And I kind of spoke about this yesterday in my update. You guys can take a look at the price of ADA. We're about to retest this resistance once again. We did retest this resistance on November 20th last, and you guys can see a rejection was done. And also on November 17th, we did break out of this, but that was rejected as well. But this time around, you guys can see we're picking up steam once again. And I think in the next few hours, or even by tomorrow, I think we might see ADA pushing back above this resistance and pushing towards a yearly high. Because, over the past week, we've seen quite a bit of, volatility within the cryptocurrency market. But it's really great to see the way Cardano has held. We didn't see sharp drops. We pretty much been hanging at this range. You guys can see pretty much consolidating, trying to retest this resistance over and over again, pretty much three different times right now. This could be the fourth time, and if we're able to break out of here, guys, be prepared for next leg up occurring for Cardano. And I'm targeting a new yearly high, of course, tremendous amount of resistance, but a 46 cents ADA is needed in order for us to hit a new yearly high. And speaking about a new yearly high, this can cause a momentum shift. Just like we've seen in Solana, I think this can happen with ADA as well. But like I said, we need to see the price breaking out of this resistance. If it's able to do that, be prepared for a huge leg up coming up. So this is one thing I wanted to cover with you guys. Of course, this is the part of the daily analysis. A lot of people showed a tremendous amount of support on the previous update. A lot of people want to see daily updates, so I'm bringing you guys that. And if we're looking at BTC, on the other hand, Bitcoin is forming a green candle pretty much close to yearly highs, and that is quite interesting to see. This is literally I don't even know, I've lost count. We've pretty much closed back into this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, especially above this huge level of support at 36,200 for pretty much 2 weeks in a row. Of course, we've seen tremendous amount of volatility, which I've spoke about earlier, but we'll continue closing above this resistance, which speaks for itself. So Cardano community, get ready. I think we're about to see a huge move, especially if we're able to close back above this resistance. I think we're about to really shock a lot of people. As far as the ecosystem goes, I've mentioned to you guys countless of times, it's really here to compete. And at the end of the day, all these blockchain projects are competitors to one another. Ethereum is the king when it comes to market valuation. Nothing will take over the Ethereum's market valuation, but as far as ecosystem goes, there's a lot of projects picking up, and Solana is one of the huge contenders, which I've spoken about. But Cardano is also up there, and as I mentioned to you guys, we should not be sleeping on it. I think we're about to end this massive consolidation phase in the upcoming hours ahead of us. So let me know down below what you guys think and what excites you the most for ADA. And yeah, thank you so much for all your support. Love you all. See you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.